Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Quick video today, and we will talk about mounting your wireless battery-powered security cameras and its solar panel in a gutter mount. I did a couple of videos about this before, and if you have Ring cameras, they have their own gutter mount, which will only work with their cameras. And I made a video on it a while back, and I will link it down below if you haven't seen it yet. And this is what I suggest that you use if you have Ring cameras. On how it is designed to install in your gutters, it is sturdier and way better than other brands. I also made a video in my other channel about the LifeHackster gutter mount, which is also for both for camera and solar panel. But because of its thumb screws, even the tightest I can screw it in, it is still flimsy, and I don't really recommend that one. And today we are going to take a look at another but a better mount. And this is the LifeHackster 2-in-1 Universal Gutter Mount. And this has a couple of things which I'll show you in a bit that LifeHackster and other brands can add to their thumb screws that will make it more secure and stable when installed. Inside the box, you will get some thumb screws and accessories. We have some mounting screws and an older Ring spotlight cam adapter and a Ring solar panel adapter as well. We have the gutter mount bracket itself, which is metal, and we have the mount here, and this is like Ring's mount. You can slide this out, and this bracket can be screwed into a wall, and it becomes a wall mount, which is nice. Just screw in the bracket like so with the two included screws, slide in the mount, and secure it with the included torque screw. Then screw in your camera and solar panel. So this is not just a gutter mount, but also a wall mount. And you just need to screw in two screws to install both camera and solar panel, which if done separately, you have to screw in at least 4 to 6 screws. So lesser holes on your wall. As to the gutter mount, screw in the wall bracket to the metal bracket with the included 2 machine screws. Then you have a choice of a long or shorter thumb screws, which with my gutters, I need the longer ones. Screw them into the metal bracket like so. And now to make them clamp better to the gutters, LifeHackster included these screw caps, and this will make the clamping area wider, making it more secure. And just to demo, I have a gutter piece here from my local Home Depot. And with this, screwing it down these 2 screw caps has more clamping area, making it more secure. And just for comparison, this is another LifeHackster gutter mount, but just for one device. And because it only comes with thumb screws and not screw caps, the screw ends will just dig into your gutters and only have a small point of clamping force. And this screw is actually too short and it doesn't work at all. And if they just add these 2 screw caps, there you go, way better. Time to install this outside. A pro tip when installing this, try to install this as close as you can to the gutter brackets so that it's going to be more solid and secure. It does come with Ring camera and solar panel adapters, but I'll go with the Ring gutter mount for that, so I'm not going to demo it. But with all other camera brands that have a quarter 20 screw mounts, and also with their solar panels like the Y solar panel and their Battery Cam Pro, the Eufy solar panel and their battery cams, Reolinks panel, and also their Argus camera except for their Eco model, Tapo battery cams and its solar panel, and Arlo and its solar panel. Anyways, if you have rain gutters around your house, this LifeHackster 2-in-1 Universal Gutter Mount is a pretty good option because you don't need to drill holes or screw anything. Or if you just want to minimize the holes you have to make in your wall. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.